Friends, in this video, we're going to talk about how to get all the instance and class methods in Java. Basically, this tutorial is going to help us understanding how we can use reflection to get all the instance methods and class methods in Java. But first of all, why it's necessary to get instant methods or class method. So if you have seen like libraries, for example, Lombok or the Swagger API and all that. So they precisely be able to give us like a lot of out of the box feature that help us in our development. So generally they use a reflection to provide those feature at runtime. So getting the instance class then can be helpful in use cases such as documenting API, finding all the methods with a particular annotation that can be helpful for metadata processing or dynamically invoking methods based on the input argument. So this all of this can be achievable using reflection, and a reflection is a Java feature that allows you to inspect and manipulate classes, methods, fields, and other entities during runtime. So it's a great way to build libraries that basically enhance the productivity of developer, and we're gonna touch base on this with a simple example here. So I've written the blog about it a couple of days ago, and you can find it over here, Medium, and link it in the description. Mainly, what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna set up some classes. We'll add some instance method and class methods. For example, demo class has all these three methods, right? And then we'll write a test that where we will capture all these methods, and we will assert that these methods are indeed we are able to read at runtime. So that's the goal. So let's go to the IDE and uh, figure out how we can achieve this. So here is the test setup that I have, which is I have three tests here. First one is test instance methods. Other one is test class methods, and the final is test all method. So the instance method will be basically the method that belongs to object. Class methods are basically static methods that we're going to test, and the third one is all type of methods, which basically includes all the inherited methods as well. And for the sample class, we have this demo class. It has three methods, and it has two static methods. And for testing the inheritance, I have the another demo class that has another instance method here. Okay, so let's start with the first one, test instance method. So test instance method. So we are getting the demo class here, and with this class, we are getting a method called get declare methods. So this is gonna give us all the declared methods in this class. So that would be method 1, method 2, method 3, and then all the static method that we have. Along with that, it will also give us all the synthetic method. So synthetic method, basically the method that gets injected by annotations or any other third-party dependency. They are basically injecting some code. So those synthetic methods will also be get captured with that method, basically with the declared methods. And so we're gonna so now we have hold on all the method, so we can easily use string over it. And what we need to do is we need to basically filter the synthetic method, and we need to filter the static method so that we get basically all the instance method or object method. So once we filter the static and the synthetic method, we can basically map it to the name of the method, and then convert it to the list. I'm using sorted here only just to compare the result, but yeah, that's what we can do, and we can basically assert those two values, and we can run the test. First, I have run it before, that's why it's green. We can run it and compare it. I think the order here is different. Assert equals basically expected, so expected would be this, my bad, and this would be actual. Basically definition, it doesn't matter, it runs it compares it, but yeah, the first parameter usually is expected and the second one is actual. And if we run this, we should be able to get the instance method. Okay, yeah, it passes. Okay, moving ahead, how about the class method? So idea is same. We get all the declare methods from the reflection, and we've basically changed the condition of filtering. So we don't want synthetic methods here as well, but we need a static method. So we are checking the modifiers of the method, and if it's a static, we are filtering over it. So we basically reject synthetic method, and we are only getting the static. So and then we are mapping it to name and then comparing, like we did with the instance method. And here as well, we could just switch the actual and expected. And we can run the test. Now let's go, while it runs the second one, let's move to the third test. Third test is about testing all methods. So in this case, we will use a different method from reflection. We are using the get method, which is gonna give us all the methods, and all we have to do is filter the synthetic one, because those are something we are not interested in, and we will get now all the methods, including static, instance, and the whatever method we have inherited from the parent. So as we can see, we are getting all this method, another method. Other than that, we are also getting this other methods like hash code, get class, notify, and all. I think it's basically inheriting all from the parent chain, and that's why we have the big list here. And changing it back to expected, actual, yeah, and then we're gonna basically assert it. I think we don't need this, and let's see the previous run. Yeah, it was passing, and then the third one. So this one basically we are testing all the methods, considering all the methods including object in class, and then the inherited one. Okay, so now let's run the whole class. And yeah, all of our tests are passing. So yeah, that's about it. And all the methods that we are using, like for the demo class, get declare methods, they all are like basically provided by the reflection, and java lang.reflect is the package that provides a lot of features, and the method type that, if you can see, we are using it from the reflect, and then we have this modifier that we are using from the reflection. So this package has a bunch of helpers that yeah, as you can see, we have a bunch of helpers here that is useful in different use cases. So yeah, that's about it for this quick tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. And if you like it, please subscribe to the channel. I'll keep adding more videos like this. Thank you.